All right, on this question, we got this function here. Let me rewrite it down here for us, and we're going to take the derivative of it. It's 5, 10x to the fourth plus 7x cubed to the 16th. Okay, and so we're going to take the derivative. Now notice this has an inside function, and it has an outside. So whenever you have one function inside of the other, composition of functions, that's technically called, you got to use the chain rule, as it says right here, the chain rule. And so what's the chain rule? Well, you have the outer and you have the inner, right? This is outer, this is inner. It doesn't matter if it's left or right, just the inner is inside the outer. So to take the derivative of it, you got to do the derivative of the outside, keep the inside the same, times the derivative of the inside. So let's do it. So we're going to come down here and go, okay, we're going to do f prime of x, the derivative. What do we do? So first we do the derivative of the outside. So this is the 16 is going to come on down and hit that 5. Is that going to be 80? And then you subtract 1 from the power. So it'll become 15. So that's the derivative of the outside. The inside stays the same at first. Just comes right down. Times, and then you do the derivative of the inside function. The derivative is just this. So the 4 will come down, hit the 10. That's 40. Subtract 1 from the power. X to the third plus the 3 comes down, hits the 7. That's 21. Subtract 1 from the power. X squared. That makes sense what happens. So one more time. We have an inside function and an outside function. And that always requires the chain rule when you take the derivative. And how do you do it? You do the derivative of the outside first, keep the inside the same, then go times the derivative of the inside. See, this is regular inside, this is derivative of the inside. This is derivative of the outside. So I start with the derivative of the outside. So how do you do a 16 power? What's the rule? You multiply it there. 16 times 5 is 80. Subtract 1 from the power, 15. So you do 80 and 15. Keep the inside the same at first, like it says right here. Then go times, and then this is I prime right here. This is I, right? And the I prime, the derivative of the inside, you just multiply and subtract 1 from the power and multiply, subtract 1 from the power. And there we go. We can leave it just like that. And that's the correct answer.